So there's this replacement theory thing, or conspiracy, or whatever they want to call it. I like it. If you watch my videos, I've been onto this for. I mean, I didn't. I guess I just recently learned about it. But I've always liked this idea of replacing. I've been pushing for the replacement of the Constitution for. Well, it's 2022. What is it? The 18th. One more day for Malcolm X's birthday. Really, for more than 10 years, but it's like, what's the point anymore anyway? It's like we just need. I mean, you could replace the Constitution, but anyway, yeah. I talked about replacing the what we call as an income tax that we have in the United States of America with a national retail sales tax. That would really give us so much more freedom and choices. I'm a very pro-choice man. I believe in choice for children, choice for babies, choices for men and women, and really whatever the race or gender a person wants to be, whatever kind of disability a person has, they should have choices, So I take it more than just, the national retail sales tax replacing the income tax, which is already in itself unconstitutional, which nobody takes that Constitution thing seriously anyway. But hey, I mean, just think about this though. How much better would our nation be if we replaced these fucking the numbers that we have of white supremacy, these white people? I was raised in it, and actually, yeah, the majority here is white. I mean, I've seen a few black girls. We got some Ukrainians. What's up? Eastern European. Man from India. Good people over there. Yeah, South America's represented. Obviously, we've got new owners from Egypt. You can see a lot of this stuff in your public record, but so if you look at the statistics we have, okay, I don't care even if you take like MS-13 gangs and compare to our gangs that we have in the United States of America, white supremacy, the cracker motherfuckers, and northern part of Florida and obviously Georgia. These white supremacy groups, led by the Bidens and Trumps and the Obamas, these are all white supremacists. Even though they could be black, they're still white supremacists. They're just, sucking that white dick in the Constitution and the dollars. Wow, how much safer would our country be? Let me go over here so it's echoing within the actual but this is really cool. See how it looks on this. Oh, that looks really nice. I like that. I might even go see some golf course in the background with this angle we're at here. Anyway, yeah, I mean, if you look at the statistics with regard to the crimes that we have in this country, leading the world in every category, most drugs, not even close, nobody's even close, more STDs, more sicknesses, illnesses, deadly diseases, we're the most impoverished nation in the world, highest infant mortality rate in the developed world. It's across the board. We're just a complete and total mess. So yeah, if we could replace these people with, not so much replace, but like just have higher numbers, I guess. I'm looking into, I don't know enough about it yet, but if that's what the far left wants to do, which is, they really just are screwed up in every way you can think about it. Far left, far right, middle, whatever it is. It just, whatever the situation is, they're just a bunch of fucks. I mean, the whole political shit we got going on is a complete and total mess. So anyway, I mean, how does this look? Oh, I like that. It's better, but then I'm so dark myself. Let's see here if that does anything. So I just don't know. From the very few things I can hear regarding that dude in Buffalo, he's kind of doesn't want this whole thing of. I'm look, if you bring in people from like Ghana, Nigeria, Botswana going across, okay, so you got Ethiopia, Kenya, yeah, Sri Lanka, and of course Zimbabwe. Yeah, South Africa, Libya. Okay, I mean, okay, then you go, Italy, France, UK, India, China, North Korea, South Korea, Thailand was up. I mean, Mexico, Guatemala. But if we take their people and compared to our people, across the board in every aspect, we're gonna do better. Just how it is. When you were the Cleveland Browns in the 1990s, 2003, 4, 5, 6, whoever you take instead of that person, like whoever you draft, it's gonna be better than what we have right now. Whoever you trade for, it's gonna be better than what we have right now. Cleveland Indians, the Cleveland Cavaliers, Cleveland Browns. What a mess we've been, And okay, now we got LeBron, so now you can't mess with it, okay? But then now, of course, we don't have him anymore. So yeah, 2022. Well, we'll see. He might come back and retire here. I mean, I'm in Daytona Beach right now at the pool. Let me see if I can go back in here and sit in the water. But anyway, yeah, just look at it though. I mean, if we can get more people to, I don't vote, so like, what the fuck, We got people coming in from like Canada, but I always say you don't have, if you want to come into this country, you don't need to come here legally. It's easier to come here illegally, and you get more respect if you're here illegally. So why the fuck would you want to be an American citizen? I'm not an American. I say fuck this country. People didn't die for this country. Who gave that right to me? Lee Greenwood. Think about that song. It's so fucked up. It's a lie. Shoot, the sky. You don't get to see this too much if you're in Cleveland, or maybe you're in New York, or anywhere in the north, Pennsylvania, Michigan. I follow you. I'm in Florida, baby. I love it here. Obviously, the Caribbean. Hawaii can go fuck itself, too. A bunch of poor people who just, well, that's another issue, too, okay? So, yeah, this country's so messed up that we literally, the United States of America, Americans, invaded the Hawaiian Islands 1893, and been occupying the beautiful islands of Hawaii, the Kingdom of Hawaii, since then, and of course brutally, with great torture, caused it to be a state. Like, why the fuck would you want to be in this part of this country, United States of America, with all the crime that we have, the drugs? I like this view. Neighbors are all probably like, what the hell are you doing? Because I got a keyboard here too. I love the view. The background's just great. I'm right by the pool. I gotta go jump in. But anyway, that's my point. And I like to, just across the board, whatever we do with other people, it's gonna be better. Russia. People from Russia came here because they're one of our biggest creditors. Thank you, Russia, for and China, for having such a great interest and ownership in the United States of America and its territories. We got a nice little echo in here. There's a few people here who watch, they'll watch my videos, but they don't comment on anything because they're scared. I don't want Jason to know that I'm watching all of his videos, and I'm on his Facebook every single day, spying on him. I know, it's really funny. People will be on these things and they don't want to tell you, but you just told me that you're on, so I know you're on here every single day on my Facebook, but you don't want to say it. You kind of sneak on, and then YouTube brought my tablet out here. That's why I'm so excited. I like the quality. Look at the video quality of this. Oh my goodness. See if we can see the golf course. Oh, but we got a spot that's not really easy to see. I think over there, I'm the blind man trying to show y'all. I think there's a better spot over there that you can see through the pavilion area. So the more I look into this replacement thing, it's like, well, yeah, duh. We've done it with replacement baseball players for a while for the strike, and of course, you got the Cleveland baseball team and football, baseball, basketball. Just do it. Obviously, whatever we're doing now is not working in this country. If you look at the crime, and especially the sheriffs and police, we have a little sissy bitch ass, what do you call those? Army, Air Force, Marines, Navy. Just what a joke, man. Oh my God. How pathetic are these people? Fight, fight, fight. You know what the word America means? It means brave. What are you brave about? What are you proud of? I'm not proud to be what I was an American for so long. Thank you, Malcolm X. Ugh. I don't even deserve just to because of what a great idea it was. Jason Werner X. Not good. That's reserved for Malcolm X. A great man. A legendary Malcolm X. Anyway, I'm gonna keep looking more into this. I'm just loving this whole replacement thing, and get these white people set straight so they can be healthy. You don't gotta keep wiping the white man's ass and bailing them from all their failed businesses and failed ideas to cure this sickness and that sickness with the crazy, prescription things that they're doing and doctor things. What a joke. I mean, these people are just so messed up.